Interest to learn about digital marketing bring you here. Hi friends, this is Abhijit and let's start the video. Digital marketing, one of the fashionable buzzwords that business owners are using to sound smart these days. Companies are going digital and concentrating on creating a strong online presence. In this video, you will find all the basics of digital marketing that you need to know. This will help you to develop an understanding that how to create a successful online marketing drive. In simplest terms, digital marketing means putting up your business products or services using digital media as the medium. As of January 2021, there were 624 million internet users and 448 million social media users in India. The number of social media users in India was equivalent to 32.3% of the total population. Now, if we consider this number, it will be easy to understand why digital marketing is so important. When you can find 32.3% of the total population on social media, don't you think it will be a smart decision to use social media to grow your business? There are many reasons why digital marketing is booming. Number one, wider audience. With traditional method of marketing, your efforts get limited to particular demographic. Whereas with digital marketing, your presence can be felt globally, hence reaching a wider audience. The second most important reason is compete with the big forces. If a company like Reliance is on social media, so that you can also. Now, the marketing opportunities are not limited to big businesses alone. Anyone can use digital marketing method for their benefit. So now placing a small brand is also possible in the major league. The third point is reach to potential customer. Earlier it was difficult to reach out to potential customers. Nowadays it has become easy to identify and reach the target audience. With the effort of digital marketing, the potential audience will yield better result. Most importantly, you can reach your potential audience globally. Tracking your reach is the fourth benefit of digital marketing. With traditional marketing, it is not possible to track how many people saw a particular advertisement and ultimately made the purchase. But with digital marketing, it is easily possible with various tools like analytics, tracking website activity, social media presence, etc. Return on investment is another aspect. Based on the Litmus report, email marketing return of investment stands at 4200% or 42x. Every dollar a company invests in email marketing receives $42 in return. This is the kind of return we are talking about. It is enormous. And that's why it would be a great decision to invest in digital marketing and see your business grow. It is important that you must understand various platforms of digital marketing. An effective marketing strategy can incorporate a variety of components. The first and most important component of digital marketing is search engine optimization. When we are talking about search engine optimization, it is the first and the most inexpensive part and fundamentals of digital marketing. It is one of the best and simplest way to increase brand visibility. SEO can be explained as the process of optimizing content through strategic use of keyword. During a search on Google, Bing, Yahoo, or any other search engine, they index the content and show it to the right person who are searching for the particular information. SEO. It is the organic way of gaining traffic through the bots that search engines uses to index the content. The bots scroll the web and using various algorithms, they analyze the content index and then decide in which order the content would appear in the search result. Content marketing is another way of getting traffic organically. Content marketing is a strategy to target the desired audience by creating relevant content. It can be in the form of articles, videos, podcasts, or any other media meant to engage and retain an audience. Content marketing is an organic way of increasing traffic by developing SEO-friendly content that helps increase brand awareness. Content marketing, when done strategically, leads to great results, which can be analyzed through the fact that businesses with blogs get 67% more leads than other companies. Online advertisement is a very effective way to get traffic immediately. When you search something on Google, at the top of the search result, you would notice some links before which the word ad is mentioned. This is an example of online advertisement. Online advertisement is the paid process to boost incoming traffic instantly. All those ads that pop up on your screen while you are scrolling through Facebook or Instagram are also example of paid media. Online advertisement is considered the best way to reach the target audience and increase brand awareness. Another important tool of digital marketing is email marketing. Email marketing is nothing but a type of generic mail that is used to target a specific type of audience. It can be understood as an advertisement that aims to accumulate traffic on the website. Email marketing as a tool of digital marketing has the highest conversion rate. Social media is another way to boost your traffic as well as your online presence. Marketing a product or service using social media platforms is called social media marketing. This marketing process can be adopted by businesses of any size, small or big. Millions of people can be found on social media swaying others with their opinions. Businesses are using this fact for their benefits to create their online footprint. Pay-per-click is an internet advertising model used to drive traffic to websites. Pay-per-click, popularly known as PPC, is an online advertising model for what an advertiser pays the publisher every time an ad link is clicked. The PPC model is offered primarily by search engines and social media networks. This model is based on keywords, so it is easy to calculate the ROI. PPC offers quick entry, can track and measure the results, work well with other marketing channels, and provides a wealth of useful data. Influencer marketing is another popular platform for promotion. Influencer marketing is a type of social media marketing that uses endorsement and product mention from influencers. Businesses are making $5.78 as ROI for every dollar they spend on this model, and the market size is 13.8 billion US dollar at present. An influencer can be anyone who is popular on social media platform with a good fan following. They are the people who make the most engaging social media posts on their specialized topic. Affiliate marketing is a reference model to boost the business volume. This is an advertising model in which a business pays third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads for the business. Affiliate programs contribute 30% of the revenue of a company. For advertisers, affiliate programs generate 15 to 30% of sales. Presently, the market size is 12 billion US dollar. Around 84% content publishers monetize their web traffic by leveraging affiliate marketing. Video marketing is using videos to promote and market your products or services, increase engagement on your digital and social channel, educate your consumer, and reach your audience. It is a proven fact that videos are more engaging than any other form of content. It's used to increase awareness about business and increase traffic to the website. 86% of marketers use video, 54% of consumers want to see more video content, 88% of video marketers are satisfied with the ROI, and generate 66% more qualified leads per year. Video marketing also holds the potential of video getting viral. The videos help to showcase the product while educating the consumer about its uses. If we are talking about digital marketing without taking the name of website, it is incomplete. Things like blogs and other digital content are the driving forces between a lot of new sales and loyal customers. The key to a website is to treat it like more than just a way for customers to get in touch and make purchases. The ultimate goal is to attract people to the website regardless of whether or not they are seeking out your specific product or services. I am Abhijit Kapuria signing off for today. Follow to enhance your knowledge of digital marketing and business website. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Mail me on connect@iamakapuria.me for free digital marketing consultancy. For learning, follow www.imakapuria.me.